Today is day number 84, and I'm inside the 41 for Hikes with Mike Thorne, and I'm having breakfast with him. And look at this waffle that I made. They have whipped cream and so many toppings, and this is going to be the best waffle ever.
Alright, hey everybody, I'm back on trail, Hikes with Mike Thorne. Don't forget to come check me out on my YouTube page and follow along on my great adventure all the way to Canada.
Bacon is a very important food group
for second breakfast.
How much couscous did you buy for a 40-mile stretch?
I saw them and I got excited because they never stocked them anywhere else.
About 12 o'clock, I'm in Chester, and we checked out of the hotel. Now we're going to resupply and eat some lunch before getting back on the trail.
Going to the holiday markets. Good night. Pizza factory, and look at all these fluffies in the sky. Can you see that? It looks like snow.
My favorite California chain, Pizza Factory, because they have the lunch buffet. Salad.
We had to wait for Squish's new shoes to be delivered. And now it's late in the afternoon, so we're just gonna stay another night in Chester. These guys are gonna float down the river on their thermorests, because that's what you do on a Chester 0 day.
I'm up on the bridge waiting for Lost and Squish to come floating down.
Pine Shack Frosty.
I'm inside Pine Shack, and they're famous for their milkshakes. And so this is coconut pineapple.
Do you like yours?
Having a beer in the copper kettle. Yeah.
You know it doesn't work if you are filming.
Oh, it works. It works.
Cheering?
Well, yeah.
No, it doesn't.
Why don't you want to be in my video? I don't care. I only want Vegeta in my video. Hello. And look who it is.